Hey there, welcome to A Basic Ideas, where we simplify personal finance for beginners like you. If you're ready to take control of your money but don't know where to start, stay tuned. Today we're going to talk about creating a simple financial plan that you can actually stick to. And remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below if you find this helpful. Why you need a financial plan. First things first, why do you even need a financial plan? Well, think of it as your GPS for money. Without it, you're just wandering aimlessly, hoping to end up at financial freedom. A financial plan helps you stay organized, prioritize your goals, and make smarter money decisions. Know your numbers. The first step is knowing where you stand. Write down your monthly income, track your expenses, and see how much you're saving. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free app. Whatever works for you. The goal here is to understand your cash flow. Set clear goals. Next, set specific financial goals. Break them down into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. For example, saving $1,000 for emergencies could be short-term, while buying a house might be a long-term goal. Now, let's talk budgeting. Allocate your income into needs, wants, and savings. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Adjust it based on your situation. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, and unexpected expenses can derail your plan. That's why an emergency fund is crucial. Start with a goal of saving $1,000 and gradually work up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Track and adjust. Lastly, review your financial plan regularly. Things change, your income, expenses, or goals. Adjust your plan to stay on track. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. And that's it. A simple financial plan in 5 steps. Now it's your turn to take action. Which step will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly personal finance tips and share this video with someone who needs it.